A reference architecture is a high-level framework that provides a common set of principles and guidelines for the design and development of a particular type of system. It defines the key components and their relationships, and specifies the interfaces and protocols that should be used to connect them. Reference architecture can help to ensure that different systems and technologies are compatible and can work together effectively, and they can also serve as a basis for the development of more detailed design and implementation guidelines. Standardization refers to the process of establishing and promoting the use of technical standards, which are technical specifications or agreed-upon methods for achieving a particular result. Standards can cover a wide range of topics, including technical standards, for example communication protocols, data formats, safety standards, and performance standards. In the context of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, standards can help to ensure that different technologies and systems are compatible and can work together, and they can also help to promote innovation and competition by establishing common frameworks and rules for the development and deployment of new technologies. The management of complex systems in the Fourth Industrial Revolution can be challenging due to the convergence and integration of multiple technological domains and the high degree of connectivity and interdependence of systems. To effectively manage these systems, it will be important to develop a deep understanding of the various technologies and systems involved and how they interact with each other. This will require the development of new analytical tools and approaches to help model and understand the behavior of complex systems. Establish clear policies, procedures, and governance frameworks to ensure that the integration and operation of complex systems is done in a responsible and sustainable manner. Build in robustness, resilience, and security measures to protect against risks and vulnerabilities, such as cyber threats, data breaches, and system failures. Foster collaboration and communication among different stakeholders, including industry, academia, and government, to facilitate the sharing of knowledge and expertise and to facilitate the development of new solutions and approaches. Invest in training and education to ensure that individuals and organizations have the necessary skills and knowledge to thrive in the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Overall, the management of complex systems in the Fourth Industrial Revolution will require a proactive, agile, and flexible approach that is able to adapt and respond to the rapidly changing technological landscape.